The 2025 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS in Shark Blue is not just a car, it is an experience. With the perfect balance of power, style, and heritage, this version of the iconic 911 brings cutting-edge performance technology and bold design to the forefront. What really sets this GTS apart is Porsche's introduction of a hybrid system that feels nothing like the usual plug-in hybrid stereotype. Instead, this car is still very much a 911, just with an even quicker response and more torque at your feet. At the core of the GTS is Porsche's new T-hybrid powertrain, which combines a 3.6-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine with a compact electric motor built into the 8-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission. The result? A total output of 532 horsepower and 449 pound-feet of torque. Thanks to this clever hybrid setup, the GTS can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds with a top speed of 194 miles per hour. The instant electric boost eliminates turbo lag entirely, delivering a seamless and exhilarating surge of power. Power is stored in a lightweight 1.9 kilowatt-hour battery that also helps power the electric turbocharger, another innovation in this hybrid system. There is no plug, no complex charging routine, just more performance with less compromise. It is everything Porsche promised, and then some. But Porsche did not stop with just the engine. The chassis has also received some thoughtful upgrades. Rear axle steering is now standard, dramatically improving agility and high-speed stability. The car sits 10 millimeters lower than the standard Carrera, thanks to Porsche Active Suspension Management, and optional Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control helps minimize body roll and keep the car flat during hard cornering. Driving this car is not just about speed, it is about precision and feel. Let us talk about looks now, because the Shark Blue exterior is worth its own spotlight. Bold, unapologetic, and unmistakable on the road, Shark Blue transforms the GTS from aggressive to breathtaking. The wide rear stance, sleek front fascia, and pronounced side intakes are all accentuated by this vivid color, making every angle pop with drama. It is not a color for everyone, but it is perfect for someone who wants to stand out. For even more presence, Porsche offers the optional Aerokit Package. This includes a sport-designed front bumper with larger intakes, sculpted side skirts, and a rear diffuser that helps manage airflow underneath the car. The star of the Aerokit, though, is the fixed rear wing, a motorsport-inspired feature that increases downforce while giving the car a true race-ready silhouette. Whether you are parked or flying down the highway, the Aerokit makes a serious statement. Inside, the 2025 GTS brings comfort and motorsport flair into one sharp cockpit. The driver is greeted by a 12.6-inch curved digital gauge cluster with multiple display modes, including a traditional 911-inspired tachometer. Gone is the iconic ignition key. In its place is a starter button to the left of the steering wheel, honoring tradition in a modern way. The 10.9-inch center touchscreen manages infotainment duties, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Porsche Connect services. Technology aside, Porsche's attention to detail in the cabin is what makes the GTS truly special. The standard Sport Seats Plus are supportive and wrapped in a combination of leather and Race-Tex microfiber. Race-Tex also covers the steering wheel and gear selector, giving you a tactile connection to the car. Optional GTS interior packages add contrast stitching in crayon or carmine red, plus embroidered GTS logos on the headrests. Practicality was not ignored either. A cooled smartphone compartment with wireless charging is built into the center console, keeping your phone safe and cool while you drive. And yes, there is still some storage space under the front trunk for a weekend bag or groceries. Pricing for the 2025 911 Carrera GTS starts at $164,900, while the cabriolet version begins at $178,200. If you prefer all-wheel drive, the Carrera 4 GTS and Targa 4 GTS start at $172,700 and $186,000, respectively. These prices do not include options, and if you plan to add shark blue paint and the Aerokit, expect to go even higher. Deliveries in the United States are expected to begin by the end of 2025. While availability of shark blue may vary by region, it remains one of the most desirable colors in Porsche's palette, especially when paired with the aggressive styling of the GTS and Aerokit. This is a car built for drivers. It is loud, fast, and full of character, but also smart, efficient, and equipped with technology that enhances rather than overwhelms. The 2025 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS in Shark Blue is not just a new chapter. It is a bold statement that Porsche's future is just as thrilling as its past. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video on the latest and greatest in automotive performance.